Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing a coffee maker I got that is Star Wars themed. It's the Select brand Star Wars single cup coffee maker. I was having a conversation with my sister saying I'd really like a coffee maker where I could just make one cup of coffee, because a lot of times I don't always drink the whole pot or half the pot even for a day, then it gets going to waste. So we got looking on Amazon, and I actually found they had a Star Wars theme on, so it was cool. So yeah, so I picked up this guy made by Select Brands. It does like one cup of coffee, one shot, and it's pretty simple. So let me show you what we got going on here. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward unit. It comes with a Chewbacca cup, and then as far as I do not think this gets hot. So, but you got a little switch on the side right there, just like any other. But when you get into the innards up top here, there's like this little screen, and you can see I've already made some, and they got it. So if you do not want to use a filter, you don't have to, but I have been using a filter with it because it's, and just, you know, washing it out after use. So you can just shove a filter in there, and I just put like one spoonful of your whatever coffee you want. You know, it was less than $20 for this unit, so it's actually pretty affordable, and it's going to end up saving me money in the long run. So you just slip it in the top there, and then what I do, instead of filling up the cup and making a mess, I fill up a measuring cup, and I just go ahead and pour it in there. I mean, it's just like any other old coffee maker. And you just close her down, put the Chewbacca cup under it, and turn it on. And it's really pretty quick. And I don't know, a lot of you might say, well, I'm just going to carry it. Well, I didn't really shell out the money on one. And the whole idea of getting them little pack things every day and everything just doesn't seem like, it seems like this is a much more affordable method. But we'll wait here. I already got my cup ready to go, and as you can see, it doesn't really take long for it to start. See, it's starting already. But yeah, the switch is there on the side. Now you do have to turn it off when you're done getting your one cup, because it does not have an auto shut off. But yeah, that's what the box once again looks like. So coming, I don't have the English side facing because of my address label and all that was on the side of it. But yeah, man, you just let her go, and in no time you can have one cup of coffee ready to go. As you can see, it's doing it right up, no problem. I've seen mixed reviews on this where you order it, but I've had no problem whatsoever. And I mean, come on, it's Star Wars, so you know, it's a perfect addition to my collection of Star Wars memorabilia. So all right, let's pause a minute, we'll let this get done, and then we'll show you the finished product. Yes, just look at that goodness, just waiting for me. Now what I do, guys, I just use the cup as like my reservoir and fill it up, and then I transfer it to a cup that I had a lid, so because I don't want to spill anything, and not to mention I want to keep the Chewbacca cup nice. But that's pretty much it. It's easy peasy, just like any other maker. It just makes one cup. But definitely check it out if you're a Star Wars fan and you like coffee, but you waste a lot when you make a pot. this might be a good thing to go to. I think I paid like 18 bucks for it, and free shipping when I was on Prime. So it's the once again the Select Star Wars coffee maker for a single cup. Check it out. Please like and subscribe to our channel and this video, and feel free to share. And thank you for watching. And as always, remember to do one act of kindness this week and make a difference into someone's life. For more Wing Roars, Brett Tank Downey signing off. Y'all stay safe. Take care. Peace.